ExamSorted Web App User Guide. To practice test questions. After you have learned the concepts of a particular subtopic, you can test your knowledge by practicing test questions. After logging into your account, move the cursor over Key Stage 3 or GCSE on the main page and click Practice for the subject you want to practice test questions. Here, you will be shown all the lessons and subtopics for your selected subject and the number of practice questions available for each subtopic. Click any subtopic for which you want to take the practice test. Example: Nutrition and Balanced Diet. The question can be true or false. Match the following, choose the correct answer, activity type, or image-based. Based on the question type, select the answer and click the Submit button. The Submit button is grayed out by default. After you select the answer, it will turn green. To view the hint or clue for the question, click the bulb icon at the bottom right. If your answer is incorrect, you will see a screen with the correct answer and explanation. If your answer is correct, your screen will show something like this. While you are practicing the test questions, you can keep track of the time spent, score and questions answered on the right side of the screen. After you complete all the questions for the subtopic, you can see your final score. You can click Retry Test to take the test again.